It's a beautiful railroad style on First Avenue between 82nd and 83rd. It's a fourth floor. It's a walk up, exposed brick. It's the entrance is the same. It's a dining table. Very high ceiling. Full appliances. This is facing east. This is the end of the apartment. This is a floor through, so it's to the front to the back of the building. This is the bathroom. Full bathtub. Very quiet. And this is the closet area. And this is a room right there. It could be a bedroom or office. Exposed brick wall. Huge closet, like a walk-in closet. With overhead. Nice ceiling fan. That is a queen size bed. It could fit a king too. And this is another room. This is the biggest room. And that is a queen size bed. Huge closet again with overhead. Deco fireplace. The heat and hot water is included. The super is up the street. This is First Avenue. It's facing west. It's got beautiful sunlight. Right now it's raining outside. Giant railroad apartment flow through. First by 83rd Street. The Q train is up the street.